Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide your face in a video with an emoji and CapCut. So here, I have already opened my video that I want to cover the face part with an emoji. So I'm going to just go to stickers and find the emoji first. Okay, let's say this one. I'm going to make it bigger and put it in the face like this. Click on the check icon first, and then here find the tracking options. Okay, just select the object to track. So I'm going to select the face part of this person. Like this, and then click on start tracking. And now it is done. You can just adjust the emoji until the end of the clip, and here is the final result. The face is now hidden with the emoji on it. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.